How to convert PDFs to docs in Google Drive. First, open Google Drive on your desktop browser and upload the PDF file if it's not already there. Once the file is already uploaded, right-click on the PDF and select Open with Google Docs. Google will automatically convert the PDF into editable Google Docs file. The formatting might not be perfect, especially for scanned or image-heavy PDF, but the text will be editable and ready for changes. You can now update, format, or copy content as needed. Once you're done editing, you can download it as Word document, PDF, or keep it saved in your drive as a doc. It's fast, simple, and no extra tools needed. Perfect for quick edits or extracting content from PDFs right inside the Google Drive. So that's it.